1988 Suzuki Samurai here. The starter doesn't start all the time. It kind of works sometimes, not the other. So I looked up a solution, and they call it the Clicky starter. I believe that's what they mean, and I'm trying to find a solution. I'll give you an example. Put the key in. All right, start. Once I start that time. And basically it'll start like 3 or 4 times. Then it'll go to clicking. Which it's not doing now, this particular time. It seems to be starting. Making a liar out of me. But anyway, trust me, it won't start every time. They'll just laid up on the dash. So what I did was I sent for this Clicky starter kit from, let's see where I got it from, Low Range Off-Road. It's basically a relay. It's supposed to take care of it. Simple here. Basically they put a relay in. There's a wire like this that goes into the solenoid, which is connected to the starter. Take that out, you plug this in, and you plug the wire you took out of the solenoid into this. The red wire goes to the battery, and the black wire goes to ground on the firewall. And it's supposed to take care of the problem. But I swear I've tried this many times, and it usually doesn't start up. So we got lucky on that. And I'm going to install it, and I'll let you know if it solves it. You know, I changed the ignition switch. I put a new battery in. I also put a new starter in. I thought it would solve the problem, but they're saying that this is supposed to take care of it. So I'm going to install it right now. It should only take a couple minutes. Got everything installed. Got the hot wire to the battery. I got the other wires to the starter. And I got the relay and the ground wires in on the firewall. I sanded them so it'll be metal to metal. Let's go see if it starts. Hopefully this will solve the problem. But time will tell. Because like I said before I started the video, it was starting. So if this intermittent problem goes away, we'll know shortly. All good so far.